Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Messenger with the app updated and signed in. This prevents unexpected layout differences. Tap your profile icon or the settings gear at the top left or right to open account options. Once done, scan for privacy, search, or activity settings. These house suggestion controls. Make sure you're working on the correct account if you have multiples, otherwise you'll clear the wrong history. I'll show what to toggle and what to clear so suggestions stop appearing. Now go into search or activity settings and look for suggested results or recent searches. You want to toggle off any setting labeled suggested, show recent searches, or similar. This prevents future entries from appearing. Next, choose clear search history to remove existing suggestions. You can also delete individual entries by long pressing or swiping a result. Because suggestions are often tied to your activity and contacts, disabling them stops automatic. Finish by closing and restarting Messenger so the toggles take effect. This forces the app to refresh its suggestions cache. If you use Messenger on multiple devices, make sure settings are changed on each one since sync can bring suggestions back. If results still appear, clear the app cache or storage and check for app or OS updates, because outdated versions sometimes ignore preference changes. One tip: toggling the setting off and on then clearing history can reset stubborn suggestion lists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.